Welcome back to Teshkid Effects for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Fantom chart, which at the time of this recording has lost a key area of support at around the $0.5 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where I still believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2, and once the low for that second wave is in, then we can expect our massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my breakdown targets here on the Fantom chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Fantom, after making its lower low down there at around the $0.16 mark, we started that massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having that as the first wave, then a wave 2, a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5, giving us a peak at around the $0.657 mark. And after seeing the high for the formation of this wave 5 right here in red, then I believe Fantom completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside of this Elliot wave structure right here in yellow. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and I can mark that target area here on the charts, which lies between the $0.4131 mark and the $0.3551 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting this higher Elliot wave count 2 to the lower side to do. And at the moment, we have made our low in the formation of this wave 2 at around the $0.41 mark. We saw a reaction of the fib level 0.5, and after seeing the reaction of the fib level 0.5, that's when we saw this bounce to the upside, giving us a peak at around the $0.6 mark in what we can term as an ABC corrective structure, which is a structure that we also expect in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2. So over here we are seeing an ABC corrective structure where we can term this as the wave A, then a wave B, giving us a peak at around the $0.6 mark, and I'm expecting one more leg down in the formation of this wave C, fully maximizing our target areas in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2. And once the low for this higher Elliot wave count 2 is in, then we can expect a massive run up in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. So here I'm expecting one more leg down in the formation of this wave C, and also fully maximizing our target area in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2. And for that move to also play out, where I'm expecting one more new low in the formation of this wave C, we need to continue holding below the 20-day MA and also below our key area of support at around the $0.5 mark, because a break above the 20-day MA could trigger a bit of a bounce to the upside in a move that could take us back to the next key area of resistance at around the $0.5 mark. And in case we manage to break above it, then we can expect a retest of that key area of resistance before we continue gearing up to push even higher. And in case we see a break above our significant high in the formation of this first wave at around the $0.65 mark, then that could make me have a different Elliot wave structure over here. That is a different Elliot wave count, where I can say that whatever we are seeing over here could be the start of the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3, having seen our low in the formation of this wave 2 at around the $0.41 mark. But for now, I'm still expecting one more leg down in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 2 and in the formation of this wave C, and that is my primary scenario. But in case that Elliot wave structure gets invalidated, I'll be keeping you updated. And before I give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, allow me to first take a look at the indicators, where on the RSI we are trading at around the 41 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support lower prices in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2 and also fully maximize our yellow target area. Also taking a look at the MACD, we had been able to print a bullish cross, but we are seeing a sharp decrease in the buying momentum, meaning soon we are going to print that bearish cross to fully support lower prices in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 2. And jumping to the daily chart, for further analysis and also give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, basing it on the Elliot structures. Here on the daily chart, you can see that from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $3.5 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.16 mark in what I'm terming as the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2. And on the long-term scenarios, whatever we expect next is that massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, where I have minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3 at the level 1.618, and that is at around the $5.73952 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upside to do. So that is what I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios and also on the short-term scenarios, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.